everybody, it's Talisa here. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna have so much fun opening my Target haul. So excited. Let's get started. Poopsie. You're poopsie. I'm gonna cry. Look at this. This is hilarious. I'm so excited for this one. This thing's a whole toilet roll.
Is it really?
It is. It's a poopsery. So you open it up like toilet, and also you can do this, like an actual.
I am done.
So we have unicorn food. Some unicorn food.
Okay.
The rest, we have some unicorn magic and the spoon. Silver spoon with a tiny little unicorn. So it says to turn this, unlock it. And we have our surprises. Wow. Check this. Oh my gosh, all these are so funny. So they have like names of drinks, except they make it like
fart water.
Poop jokes.
Ew.
It is, okay, so here we go. It's
Farta. There's a drink called Fanta, and I used to love it when I was a teenager.
The background's also a poop.
I'm done.
So that's what poop character. It's a little measuring cup.
Okay.
It's a little poopy chickmunk.
Oh my gosh. If anyone knows Talisa, they know she loves all things poop. She just
the poop emoji mostly.
loves the poop emoji. That is so cute, Talisa.
So hold your slime in it. 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm gonna pour the unicorn food in. Just tightly put the lid back on. We'll be right back. It has to sit for 10 minutes.
For 10 to 15 minutes, yep, to let the slime harden.
Our little farta. That's what this spoon's for. Scoop that all up. Bottle of unicorn magic.
A little at a time. Is it a little at a time?
Ew. Just the color, but also want all the magic. Not a little bit, all of it.
That is the softest slime I've ever felt. It is actually really cool.
So just that's beautiful. But guess what? I want more. I want more sparkle.
Jeepers, look at this.
So we need all the glitter.
Oh my gosh, it just keeps coming out. How much do they give you?
They give us enough to say, yes, this is enough.
There is plenty sparkle.
Are you sure?
It's like a parent's worst nightmare. Wait, what?
The nicest poop I ever seen.
It is the nicest poop I've ever seen.
That's
So you can store it in the butt of the poop.
Okay. So it says right here that I can store your little slime in the butt of the slime container. Put on your backpack. Cotton candy. Oh my god. Gosh, it feels so soft. It's kind of like clay, but not.
And it stretches.
And stretches.
And stretches.
And stretches. This is like a cloud. A bad one. It smells like glue.
Aww.
But then it feels like a
You would think they would
cloud.
make it smell like cotton candy. No.
Well, it's almost like a little donut holder. Jelly part? That feels so awesome. Ah.
It's hard.
Oh my gosh. It's a cute little bug. Adorable. You could probably put this in your pencil.
That's true.
Opening up the big one. So here, got a little donut. And we got some tiny surprises. We we got our tiny little checklist. So it says right here that this little turtle is a rare.
Like 15 packages.
This one also has some bracelets.
Alright, came with some bracelets and stickers, and you can like name them and stuff.
And we have
Very cute.
so it just covers it.
Aww.
Is so stinking cute. It smells so good too. Matching with this guy right here. Let's do this one. Last but not least, the one I've been waiting for, Capsule Chicks. It's like your very own mini vending machine, and it collects all the pieces to make a little chick. Pull and open. We have our little checklist. Over 4 billion looks to build. Okay, we got one. Yeah, right. And we got the girl's head. That's so pretty. Her upper body. Hi, Alan. Say hi.
Hi.
So here we have the bottom piece and the skirt. So,
Donut.
and now,
This is.
oh my gosh, look, it's her boots. Yeah, and just notice on the detail, it's kind of like a robot. A watch. And last but not least, our last one. Whoa, look at her hair. Look
Aww.
at that. That's like a full match. All I have to do is just match it up. There. Look at her.
She is so cute.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to hit that notification button. Bye!
Shut. I'm done. Ready and action.
Okay.
My channel.
Thank you guys for watching.
You better subscribe to my channel. There's a kid. Ew, why are you cracking like an old person?